What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be doing another sketch, ink, and color of... What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be doing another 10-minute sketch, ink, and color of one of my favorite characters, Superman. But this time I'm going to be doing it on the iPad. But before we get started, remember, guys, smack that like button. Leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. All right, if you look here on the iPad, I got 10 minutes ready to go. We're gonna make sure it's set up right. The battery's a little low, make sure it's plugged in. Just wanna make sure I have my Apple Pencil in hand. And we're just gonna get to it. Let's go. All right, I have I have 2 layers. That's all I should be working on here. 2 layers to, one is gonna be for the initial sketch. And the other one is gonna be the final detail sketch. And my main thing is trying to get a preliminary sketch before I hit 5 minutes. And I already have the pose what I want him in. So let's go. We're just gonna lower the opacity of this layer here. And I'm using a technical pen. Let's just go for it. Okay, not too bad. We're still at 8 minutes. Hold up, let me go back to the sketch layer. Forgot to put where I want the eyes, the nose, the mouth to be. So let's keep that. That's what happens. I don't want to feel rushed, but with the 10-minute, kind of puts the, it puts the adrenaline under you right quick. The flames, let's go. A lot of times you think you're gonna return to do something, but for the most part, you need to get confidence of your lines going. I want to compare the difference too with the pencil ones I did to see if the iPad flows a little easier. I'm thinking if I had to bet, I would say the iPad will be a little quicker because it's a bit more forgiving as far as, going back and just pressing the undo instead of having to switch to eraser. Even though switching to eraser doesn't take that long, but kind of just gets the workflow and a nice little flow. That's the right word. All right. All right, 6:22, we're still looking good. It's just funny, when you're doing these things, as soon as you hit 5 minutes, it's like the time just speeds up. See, we're already at the 4-minute mark. Okay, not bad. 3 minutes already. Wow. All right, guys, we just got to start working double time. One of the challenges is that S on the chest. This is something you need to get right. It's almost getting to crunch time. Okay, at this point, we just gotta start dropping colors. Let's get the black in there. The black in the hair. Oh, it's open right here. There we go. Make sure all your shapes are closed off. Let's go. Red for the cape. Let's go. And of course, this is where I think the iPad really shines, is this part right here. Let's get to the yellow here. You don't have to sit and color. You just drag and drop. Drag and drop. What is happening? Why it's not dragging and dropping in there? All right, let's go. Let's go. 19 seconds, are you kidding me? All right, let's get to the black. All right, we just hit that mark. This one will go as, I guess, an unfinished one in over 10 minutes. I'm just gonna finish it anyway. Just to show you guys that sometimes it doesn't work out exactly how you wanted it to. Well, I thought the iPad would make it a little easier, but it's actually, I wouldn't say it's making it harder. It's just it's more detailing that you need that I think you could kind of flow through with a pencil. A pencil, you could kind of flow. Still trying to do it in a decent time. You know, I missed the 10-minute mark. It's good to show that every video doesn't work out the exact way you want. Still gonna keep it though. All right, guys, there you have it. That's my 20-minute super bad drawing. Show that everything doesn't work out the exact way you want sometimes, but still a cool video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, peace.